Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to restore your old layout of YouTube. So let's get started. So if you want to restore your old layout of YouTube because you don't like this new layout and now you want to restore the old layout. So to do that, what you can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of your screen and tap on extensions. After tapping on extensions, now just tap on visit Chrome Web Store, and after tapping on visit Chrome Web Store, now what you can do is just search for YouTube Redux. So just search for YouTube Redux. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page. From here, you can simply tap on this extension and then tap on add to Chrome. And after doing that, now what you can do is just simply tap on YouTube Redux, which is the extension which we just downloaded. Just tap on it, and now here you can find a bunch of options that you can play with. So here you can see the external layout changes. You can change the number of videos per row in your home page. So if you want to have 6 videos in a row, you can do that. You can go till 10 rows. So I would like to keep it in 6. If you want to take that number higher, you can do that. You can also change the video page. You can also change some of these options. So if you tap on this arrow, you can see some more options. So this is for music, and now if you don't like the new logo of YouTube, you can also change to old logos. So this is from 2005 and this is for 2017, and there are a number of options that you can just play with and then change your YouTube. So after setting up your YouTube, what you have to do is just simply tap on refresh. So after tapping on refresh, you can see my new YouTube layout has been changed. So this is what you can do. Now if you want to just disable this one, what you can do is you can so now if you want to disable this layout, what you can do is you can easily do that by same tapping on that extension and then tapping on the three dotted icon beside that extension and then tap on manage extension. After doing that, now if you just disable this option and then again refresh your page, so here you can see by refreshing your page now you have accessed your new YouTube, but by again turning this feature on and again refreshing this page, you will access your old YouTube. So that's it guys, this is how to get your old YouTube layout on. So that's it guys, this is how to get your old YouTube layout. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.